Okay, I'm gonna show you my brand new street hockey sticks and my ball. Okay, first I'll show you the ball. Okay. Orange. Okay. Now the sticks. Okay. This one's mine. But it's gone. Okay. The next one is also mine, except I'll let my brother use it. It's the same, except just blue. Okay. That's it, and bye.